Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Stargate to use Base or Arbitrum to on-ramp and off-ramp. As you know, for example, USDC is not allowed from the Flare networks into exchanges like Coinbase, but you can use USDC to do the off-ramp and the on-ramp and then bridge back to Flare. In this case, let's buy $1 of ETH, swap, confirm. As you can see, the fee that I'm paying is 0.007, so that's very cheap. I'm going to confirm it. And then I'm going to go back to ETH or to Stargate. And then I'm going to choose to send. I'm sending $1, $1.50 of ETH. So it's very, very minimum amount. And then here I'm going to choose ETH base. This is going to be used for gas. Gas on Base is extremely cheap. It's almost as cheap as Flare, I think. And then I'm going to press transfer. I'm going to sign on my wallet. In this case, I am paying 0.76 Flare for gas. So it's very cheap. I'm going to press confirm. And it's going to take around 6 minutes. So I will come back when it's done. And then I'm going to show you how you can use. All right, so now, as you can see, I have ETH on Base. I have $1.85. And I also send some USDC to Base. I'm not going to show you the whole process because it's exactly the same. You just have to choose the source network and the receiving network. Now that I have this, I'm going to teach you how to use it, send it to your exchange. The withdrawal is exactly the same thing. I don't use Coinbase, but USDC Base is a great way to move coins in and out of exchanges because it's much cheaper. Are getting a payment, you can also ask to receive on Base, and then you don't have to pay the high ETH fees. So if I go here and I choose USDC, I'm going to choose the network and I'm going to choose Base. I'm going to copy the address, and then on my wallet, I'm going to press send. I'm going to do this address. It's not in my whitelist, confirm. And then here, I'm going to choose Base. I'm going to choose USDC. I'm going to press max, and I'm going to send. And then pretty soon, it should tell me that I have received USDC. Oh, I have $62 there. I don't know why, but I do. USDC Base here, you see, it was like instantaneous, and that's it, guys. And then if I wanted to withdraw, before I continue, I'm going to press USDC. I'm going to choose the network. I'm going to choose Base, and that's it. I put my address, which is the same as my Flare address, and I press the withdraw, and that's it, guys. All right. Hope this was useful. I will see you next time.